Hello, this is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you an easy roasted Parmesan potato recipe. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So the principal ingredients for this recipe include potatoes, Parmesan, and your spice mix. So your spice mix is up to you. Feel free to use whatever spice you want. My spice mix is made up of 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1.5 teaspoon of paprika powder, some frozen herbs I have at home, and salt. You can cut out your potatoes into any shape you like. Here I cut out mine into wedges. And once everything is ready, I proceeded to add them all into a bowl, mix, and then roast using my air fryer. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tux. On this channel, I upload yummy meal recipes, early drink recipes, career talk, travel vlogs, and some other lifestyle vlogs. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. Will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for today. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.